because of the lighting, but this side is shining because, you know, of that lava. That DIY lava I just created, called that Zile lava. That Zile lava. Ooh, I like that.
Hey guys, it's Zile, and today's video is going to be on how I create this DIY body lava. So Rihanna had just came out with this body lava, but and it's like a creamy kind of consistency, and it has a shimmer to it, a shine. And if y'all seen that Instagram video where she rubbed it on her shoulder and she's like looking at it and just like, ooh, it's shiny. But yeah, that's the video, and that's her product that she just came out with. And they have a whole bunch of people on YouTube that's creating DIYs about how to create that body lava look. And I wanted to show y'all how I created my own body lava. This is kind of like, you know, a pinkish kind of color, so it's a bit different, you know. But the consistency is really nicely. It's like this, and
Ooh. 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 Look at that. Y'all like? I love it. I think I did good. And it don't smell too half fatty.
to continue watching this video, just stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification button where you can see any of my videos that I just posted. So to create this kind of texture mixture, you're going to start off with minimal amount of products. So what I use is an empty bowl, any empty plastic bowl. Then I use this MAC primer. I had this a long time ago, so I just held on to it, and it came in handy right now because of these DIYs. So yeah, this is the MAC Prep and Prime refreshment that you put or before you go to bed, or when you put all your makeup on, and it holds your makeup on for the whole day. So you can use something that's kind of liquid-y like this. Then I'm gonna go ahead with this other product. This is a body lotion. It's the argan oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter body lotion. So it has it all in here. It has it all. So y'all can go and use whatever body lotion you want to use. I decided to use this lotion because it smells really good. I got it from TJ Maxx. You know, I shop there every day. Every day. Not every day, but it's a good store. So you can go in with any lotion you want to use. It's something that smells good because, you know, you're going to be putting this on your body and you want your body to smell good too.
I have seen a lot of people online using a lot of different shimmers and everything like that, or what do you call them? Highlighters.
Use a whole bunch of different highlighters, and I was like, I don't have a whole bunch of different highlighters to be wasting, so you know. But I do have an extra nude palette. I have a few of these, and I was like, okay, you know, let me just use this. And you're gonna need this. As you can see, I already destroyed this palette. Had so much fun destroying it. So much fun. But yeah, so you can just use one of your old palettes that you don't really use anymore, something that has a bit of a shine to it, so that way it'll create that shiny kind of texture to your lava. And then this is optional. You don't have to use an oil, but I think it may be helpful to put like a nice oil in it. Alright, so let's get started. So you're going to take your bowl. Also, you're going to need like a brush or something like this to rub it on your body. The fun part. So you're going to take your bowl and put some of the primer. I didn't want to use it all, so you know, I'm just going to twist and put a little bit in the bowl. Not too much. Y'all probably can't see it. And not too much. Just a little bit. Almost spilled it. No, almost spilled it. My no table life. And then you want to go ahead in with your cream, your lotion that you're going to put in here. Just pop it right in like this. Drop. The last little drop. And then I'm going to go ahead and use this one, this fork, or you can use a fork. It's easier with a fork. And you just want to mix it together.
After you mix it together, it should look like this, kind of creamy consistency.
Then you want to go ahead and add in your shine. These are eyeshadows. And I'm going to put all these wonderful colors. I'm going with a light color first. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like in a second. I went in with this color. Then I went in with this one. I accidentally went in with this darker color that I hope it doesn't mess up the shade of it, but we're going to find out what it looks like. But once you have all your colors in here, you're going to mix it together. And that's the consistency of it. It's like this, so it's really pretty. I'm actually going to go with the other body lava that I had done earlier. Oh shoot. I just spilled it all on my floor. No. Mind you, this stuff gets everywhere, so right after this video I'm going to do a whole lot of cleaning. A whole lot of cleaning. So I'm going to go with the other body lava that I had used earlier. This one. This is like a lighter one, so that's why. Well, you know what? Actually, I'm just going to use both of them on me and see the difference of what they look. Two different body lavas, so we're going to see. And lastly, I'm going to go in with the oil. The oil helps it smell really good. So here's the oil. You just want to mix it together. I feel like the oil would make it a bit more sticky, but it'll help with the shine. Got some lipstick. Why didn't y'all tell me? You didn't tell me how to list it right there. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead in with the one that I just created and put it on my body. So, ooh, shiny. I'm going to start by putting it on my clavicle. Look at that. It's already shining. Shine a little bit from earlier. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, lumpy. Ooh, I don't like that. Let's try to smooth it out. So this is kind of like a purple shine. I'm not too much. So don't put too much like me. A little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna have my whole neck shiny. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, so shiny. So shiny. Look at it. I like that. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit on my shoulder right here. I just said a little goes a long way. Look at me putting the low. So yeah, I'm guessing you can create a lot of colors with this DIY. If you want more of a purplish, you just add more purple eyeshadows. If you want more of a pink, add pink eyeshadows. If you want a yellow tone, undertone, just add some yellow.
Is it glistening? Yeah, so yeah, that's a big difference from this side and then this side. This one a little shiny, but it's only because of the lighting. But this side is shiny because, you know, of that lava. That DIY lava I just created. Called that Zile lava. That Zile lava. Ooh, I like that.
Okay, now I'm going with the first one that I had did earlier off camera, and I'm gonna put it right here on this shoulder to see how it looks. This one is a lighter pinkish color than the one I had put on this side, which is more like a purplish kind of color. So I'm gonna go with this one. Look at that, guys. It looks beautiful. Just created my own product. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. So yeah, that's what this side looks like. It has less of a shine than the purple side, but it still comes off a bit. This side has less of shine than the purple side, but it still you can still see it. Sorry for the lighting, that keeps adjusting every time I move. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this body lava DIY, then please like and subscribe and tell me what you think about the shine. Or it's kind of faded away now, but you know, it was a lot of shimmer earlier. You can still see it on my neck. So I put 3 layers on my neck. But tell me what you think about it. If you're gonna try any of these DIYs, I want to see what they are and see what they look like, and just let me know. Alright, if you have any other videos for me that you want me to post on here, just comment them in the comments below, and I will say it again, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye!